So much copyright is going to go on me. I don't care. Life is too short, and especially as an artist. I always remember one person said to me about me selling my art, and oh, we're all going to be rich when you die, because that's the perception. If you're an artist, you only become famous and earn money. Well, I'm sorry to upset you with all that, but I'm not really planning to go and pass away. Thank you. What I would like to do is talk about old and new art. Now, we talk about Renaissance and artwork, Impressionism and different Expressionism artwork. And now we're getting digital, and we're also getting NFT. Well, makes me think, where are we going with our art movement? I don't think we're moving any further forward, really. If anything, I think we're 2 steps forward, 1 step back. And it's always the same. Whenever we decide, and bearing in mind, I used to work at the Institute of Physics. Don't underestimate why. We solve problems that we've already created. So effectively, we're firefighting. We're not progressing. We're just solving what mess we've already created. In art, you don't have that. No messing around. Well, actually, there is. Messing around is good for the soul, good for art, good for us all. More messing around in art, maybe the better the world will be. Putin, push the button. That's what he wants to do. Rather than pick up the brush. Maybe that's the problem that Putin has. He hasn't actually picked up the brush and decided, you know what? It's going to be better for the world if I start painting. Think about it. The world needs us to step forward, step up, stop doing all this, oh, you're not allowed to do this, you're not allowed to do that. Get it on. Come on, join forces together. We're not. Well, what's that?